Hello, this is Sam Mustafa, founder of UDI Experts. UDI Experts, the global center for strategic UDI solutions and more. Today, we're going to set up the Epson C4000 printer. This is a inkjet color printer that we could use for UDI labels, QR code labels, and it really should be printing out these labels very good. So right now I just laid out the printer and the components that come with it. So we have the Epson printer right here. We have the power cord over here. We have 4 of the inkjet cartridges right here. We have the black, magenta, yellow, cyan. And we have the roll-up labels right here. And then we also have the connector for the printer to the laptop. So these are all the components that come with it. The first thing we're going to do is remove the items or labels and things that come on there in the tape. So for example, I'll start with this part right here and see how we're going to take this part out. So let's see. So we can start with this thing, this label here first. Take out some of the blue tape, some of the labels that come with it that we don't need on there. And then we have, for example, let's see if we can take some of this stuff out too. This. In the rear, there's also some there's things in the back that you can take apart. Take this paper out, take this tape off. Alright, looks like it's from the back part, so we got that out too. And then we have this part here, which is giving a little hard time to get it out, but there we go. Take it out. So we got that out too. And let's see if we open this up. This is where the inkjets go. And then we're gonna open this part up too, right here, in front of it. I believe that's actually how we did this. Okay. And have you feel free if you want to talk and say, hey, do this, do that. Which one is? Because I'll show you how. Okay. Pull this out of there. Pull this tape out. Okay. Put that back. Okay, so it seems like this is the lever to get this part out. And this is where the roll of labels will go. Okay. Alright. So we got all that set up now. We took off the labels, the stickers. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and connect the power cord to it. Connect it to the rear over here. snow in there. Alright, now we're just gonna go ahead and plug it in. We're looking at the front of the printer right now. We're just gonna go ahead and press this power button and hold it for a couple of seconds. Okay. Now it's asking about the language that we'll use, so we'll go ahead and use English. So the camera can probably get it. It's asking what's the language. Go ahead and select English. Daylight saving time, just go ahead and put summer. The date and time, so we'll have it as today, I believe is the 21st. Actually it's the 20th, July 20th. 20, okay, so we're gonna go ahead and select month, day, and year. Second option. All right, yeah, it has it in here already, July 20th, 2026, okay. Time format, we're gonna do the 12-hour. All right, and then the time right now is 5:03 p.m. So press, take the sections off this thing just in case it's messing it up. So 5. Okay, we just use the arrow buttons to select PM, and then we're just gonna choose a time. So 5:03, 5, 0. So here we go. 5:03. PM. All right, just select OK. So as it shows, it's not really a touch screen on this part. Press OK. 5:03 p.m. Select black ink type. It's either the gloss black ink or the matte black ink. For this printer, we're going to use the gloss black ink. This is the C4000, the ColorWorks C4000U, and this is a gloss printer. So we'll go ahead and select the gloss black ink. Gloss black ink is selected. Okay, so we'll go ahead and click done. All right. Now it's showing the image of the ink cartridge. We're supposed to shake it. Shake the ink cartridge about 15 minutes before installing it. Oh wow, okay. So let's go ahead and grab this thing. Okay, so now it says on this screen right here that we're supposed to shake it for 15 times before we install it. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this black cartridge. Okay, let's pull this thing down. Black is the top one. Okay. All right, good. So we're gonna go ahead and place it in the top. All right, there goes the black one. Now we're gonna do the yellow, followed by magenta and the cyan. So the yellow. Yeah, 15 times again. So when I clicked on OK, the initialization starts, and then it says install the ink cartridges for setup that came with the printer. So the black one's installed. All right, so I'm just gonna go in here and press installed. The ink cartridge is installed correctly, so it gives us that signal that's been installed correctly. Then it says start the initialization. The black ink type cannot be changed after the initialization. Okay. Okay, so now the black ink cartridge is in, and we're gonna now install the other ink cartridges. This is the yellow one. So we're just gonna go ahead and push that one in. Make sure it locks in. Next one is the magenta. Shake this one about 15 times. All right. Put that one in. Last one is the cyan blue. Before I open, I'll shake it. All right. Insert this one in the last section below. All right, now we can close the cover here. Okay, so now it pops up on the screen. Close front cover, which I did. Says pause to resume. It's been paused, and I'm going to press pause to resume. It's processing. It's making a noise in the background, so I believe it's initializing. Yes, it's initializing. It says do not open any covers or turn the power off until initialization is complete. This takes about 20 minutes. So we'll come back to you in 20 minutes. Initialization has been completed as it shows on the screen right here. So we could go ahead and click dismiss. All right, now it's showing the levels, the ink levels. All right, and it says load paper, matte paper. Let's see, matte paper. This should be the gloss. So this is the gloss printer. So let's go ahead and we're just going to go ahead and show how to install the printer driver to the laptop. And we have to make sure that the cable is actually not connected right now. So we're going to go to the website. For the US, it's https://Epson.s as in cereal, N as in Nancy. So we go to that website and then we'll enter the name of the product. And this is the CW-C4000U, since it's the color one, it's the gloss printer. Click on search, it says welcome. All right, so now we could click on the software. What comes up is the operating system. This is very, very important to select the correct operating system of the laptop. For my laptop, it's Windows 11. So I'm gonna just go ahead and choose that one. This is to ensure that we have the correct driver installed to the correct type of laptop. Otherwise, it will not be installed correctly. Country, regions, US, and then we could proceed to the drivers. And we'll download this first one, which is the CW C4000U printer driver, 64-bit. So we'll just go ahead and click here. And that's how you install it. Once you click the download button, after a couple of minutes, it'll say go ahead and install the cable that comes from the printer to the laptop. And then we just go ahead and connect it and finish the installation of the printer. Okay. Now we're gonna go ahead and print a label with this printer. And I'm using specifically right now the bartender labeling tool. So we can create the labels with bartender. And we have right here just the UDI Experts logo. I went ahead and just transported this PDF file or image to this bartender tool. We go to File, we go to Print, and we could say print here. Actually, so this is print. We go to the printer, the Epson CW, we select it. right. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and print a label, a couple labels. We'll do the UDI Experts label on the bartender tool. So we'll just go to File, we already put the image in there, we grab the image, and we'll just press print. We have the Epson printer, so we'll press print there. All right, so now it's going to print the label. So we can just print it out. Just right here. The Experts one. So we got that one right there. All right, and now we're going to print out one more with the UDI on there. So we'll go again here. I went ahead and just grabbed the picture from one of my disk drives. And to get a file, you just go ahead and click on open. If you have like the picture or image, you click on open and you grab the file. So that's what I did. We have the image right here. I'm gonna go ahead and do a print on this also. Print. Okay, so now it printed out. I'm just gonna click on the scissors right here and it'll cut it. It has already been cut and cannot be cut. Okay, it actually cut it. So, and this is the UDI label. It has a 2D data matrix. It has the medical device information. And this is basically a label I created. All right, excellent. So thank you all. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Our website is udiexperts.com. Our email is support@udiexperts.com. Thank you very much and have a great day.